Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you add end screen to your YouTube video. So you can do this by two different methods. One is while you upload the video, you can set up the end screen. And the other method is once you have already uploaded the video, you can edit the end screen. So firstly, when you upload a video, you can do this by just I'll just upload a video for now. So just so that I can show you. So let me just upload a sample video here. So all right, just choose some video. Yeah, I'll just use this. Okay, so now here I'm just uploading my video here. So while you upload it, so you just have to do the usual stuff like fill in the title, description, and all those information like how you normally do for any videos. So just do that, and once you're done with that, and here, all right, now here, when you get to the next portion here of uploading, you'll see an option here under video elements, add an end screen. So you have two options here. One, you can import it from your any other videos, all right, from your previous videos. So you can upload that from there, right? You can upload from previous video, or you can add elements from elements like videos or subscribe or anything like that. So you can choose, you can customize and design your end screen using these options here however you want to. So once you're done with that, all you have to do is click on save. All right, so if you click on save, if you have to once you click on save, and then all you have to do is just proceed with next and then publish your video with the end screen. So that's one way of doing it. The other one, if you have already uploaded your video, so what you can do is just go back to the video. For example, like any videos. So just choose, I'll just choose one. Okay, something like this. Just choose a video, and then here the same way you just have to, okay, you just have to fill in all this information. But since you have already uploaded it, you don't have to really worry about it. So you can straight away on your right jump into end screen and then click on the edit button here, and then the same thing here. So you can just customize and choose however you want to set up the end screen. And once you're done with it, you can just click on save, and that's pretty much how you add end screens well via these two methods. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.